think this was an excellent week, and I think we really accomplished a lot on the Hill. Who's excited about the priorities that we brought forward and the ability to walk the halls of Congress again?
First place, $35,000 scholarship is awarded to Scotland Stewart, Department of Tennessee.
We as a society should contribute to causes and charities that help our nation's veterans. Thank you all very much.
I want to welcome Mr. Timothy Borland, Commander-in-Chief of the Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States. Now, the VFW has vitally important information and insight into what the veterans actually experience.
We must meet the challenge to take care of these critical issues for those we represent, because every veteran counts.